A rectangular piece of paper ABCD is folded at points E, F, and G. Given that angle DGE is twice of angle CGF, find angle CGF and find angle DEG. Now this is a folded paper question where we see this appearing in the exams very frequently. So to do this, we draw a series of dotted lines to show the original paper. Okay, why is this important? It's because we will now know that the 90 degrees was originally there. It was folded in. So when you fold it in, the angles also gets folded equally inside. Same thing at this corner, 90. Over here will be 90 also. Alright. And of course, whatever was here is now here. So let's say you have 50 degrees. Over here will be 50 as well. Okay, so this small angle, same as this small angle here, exactly the same. And not just that, okay, when you fold the side here, this length, let's say it's 5 cm. When you fold it in, right, over here will be 5 cm as well. So all these important pointers, very important to take note when you're folding papers. And the key information here, DGE is twice of CGF, so which means that this over here will be 2 units. This angle 1 unit. Alright. Now how do we find angle CGF? That's the first question. CGF is over here. Alright. So to do that, it will be helpful if we get this right angle. Okay, because once we get that, we can use this right angle triangle. Okay, and we take 180 minus 90 minus that right angle, we can find CGF already. So how do we find this angle CFG? 180 minus 40, you will get 140 degrees. Why do we do that? Because we have a straight line here, and when we take 180 minus what we know here, we will have 1 and 2 of these equal angles. Why are they equal? Again, because you are folding in. So angle CFG will be equals to 140 divided by 2, 70 degrees over here as the right angle. Okay, over here also 70 degrees. So one more step to find angle CGF. Let's rewrite that again. (180) minus 90 minus 70 degrees. Why? Because we have angles in a triangle adding up to 180 degrees. So this will give us an answer of 20 degrees, which will be over here, which is for 1 unit. Take note of that. Now next up, in part B, we are supposed to find angle DEG over here, this asterisk here. Okay, now it will help if you can find this angle DGE first. So DGE is 2 units. That will be 20 times 2, 40 degrees. Okay, so inside here we will put 40 degrees. Why? Again, because this is 1 unit, this was 2 units. So if this is 20, this will be 40. So final step to find angle DEG, 180 minus 90 minus 40, final answer 50 degrees. Why? Because we have a triangle here. We take 180 minus 90 minus 40, we can get what we need.